How to use Perplexity AI for translation. Using Perplexity AI for translation, you have to understand the context and utilize the advanced language models like Claude 3.5, Sonnet, or GPT 4.0. Now, what you want to do is first thing first to use Perplexity AI for translations. You want to enter a direct prompt, that is, typing your request clearly into a search bar. Over here, you just at the bottom, you could see, right? So there, you just want to type in the request clearly into the search bar. Now, for example, you just want to type in translate the following text into Japanese, then insert in the text. You could also ask for direct different tones, such as translate this into a formal Spanish or translate into a casual French for a friend, something like that. And next, you can just ask a follow-up questions like, why did you use this specific word instead, to understand the notions of the translations as well. If you have a file, you could also go ahead and upload that. At the bottom, you have this paperclip icon. You could go ahead and upload it as well. So this way, you'll be able to use Perplexity AI for translations. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.